brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the exterior driver's door handle on this 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. This information is going to be similar for the other door handles on the vehicle. Be sure that the window is rolled up before starting this repair. Here are the items you'll need. Partially open the door handle so you can access the 10mm bolt inside. We'll remove that with a 10mm socket and ratchet. Remove these two number 3 Phillips screws. Remove the two number 2 Phillips at the bottom of the panel. Lift up on the door panel. Disconnect the 2 connectors at the bottom of the window switch. Set the panel off to the side. Peel back the weather coating on the inside of the door panel. Remove the white and blue clips on the latch rods at the back of the door handle. These simply press off and rotate out of the way so you're able to remove the hooks. Remove these two 8mm nuts with a socket, ratchet, and extension. We'll hold the back of the handle so we can open it. Work the exterior door handle from the door. Here we have our old door handle that we removed from our 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 and our new door handle from 1AAuto.com. As you can see, these parts are exactly the same. The exception of our old part still having the lock cylinder installed in it. One screw changes that over into our new one. A lot of the time these clips can break and keep the latch rod from staying in place. The spring can break and keep the handle from returning to its normal position, as well as the actual plastic of the door handle breaking. So if any of these symptoms are making it difficult to get in and out of your vehicle, this new door handle from 1AAuto.com is going to go in, direct fit, just like your original equipment, and fix you up right. To change over the lock cylinder from our old door handle to our new one, we'll remove this T25 Torx screw with a Torx bit and a ratchet. Slide the lock cylinder out into our replacement door handle. Reinstall the screw. Now it's ready to be reinstalled into our truck. Pull out on the door handle so it'll drop this latch down. Install it into the door. Reinstall the 2 10mm nuts. Reinstall the latch rods into the hole and lock the clips back into place. It may help to use a small flat blade screwdriver to the blue clip. Readhere the weather cover. Press out, remove the lock cover. This will make it easier to line up. Reconnect the electrical connectors to the window switch. Line up the tabs. Reinstall the lock cover. Tighten up the 2 Phillips head screws at the bottom. And the 2 larger Phillips at the center and top of the door. Line up your door handle. Tighten down the 10mm bolt. Once you get it started, opening the handle partially gives you a lot more room to work.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope this video helped you out. Next time you need parts for your car, please visit 1aauto.com. Also check out our other helpful how-to as well as diagnosis videos.